Hello, Odoers. Welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print product status into PDF report from the cell order screen using this Devintelle product status report via Cells module. You can see here our module Devintelle product status report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Cells app. Select these two. Go to print and see here this menu product status. Click on. So you can easily see here printed in details, serial number, product name, total orders, delivered and back order. Thank you.